It's the 26th of October 2023. As you can see, I've fished out the old ZX Spectrum. It's the Amstrad 128K plus 2, the grey version, not the black one, the grey one. CRT TV, Kempson joystick interface, which is the RAM Turbo edition, which does in fact have, fish that bit open, a little cartridge slot inside it, which is pretty important because while searching on eBay, I found a ROM cartridge for the ZX Spectrum with a bunch of 16K older games on it. Now, to turn this on and off, I've got to actually plug it, or unplug it, should I say. If anybody's got an old ZX Spectrum and having an issue with their power supply, Sega Mega Drive or Master System power supplies work perfectly well on these machines. That's what I'm powering it with. God knows where my specky power supply is. Right, if I plug that cartridge straight into there, switch it on at the plug. Ta-da! Now, yes, that's going to be a bit of a wobbly screen on the camera there because it is a CRT TV. But we've got on there Backgammon, chess, cookie, Horace and the Spiders, Hungry Horace, Jetpack, which is a classic, Planetoids, another classic, Space Raiders, Trans Am. One of my favourite ZX Speccy games of all time is Trans Am, and it's a 16K game. Then at the bottom we've got some extra ones. Manic down there, Pheenix, Galaxian, Arcadia. Jetpack, got to start with Jetpack F. Instant loading. That's not bad going, that is it. Instant loading on a ZX Speccy. Pressing the key to play. Now I was trying this earlier on, and every time I started it off with the keyboard, it was crashing for some reason. But if you choose joystick 4, that's fine. Where's my little speaking? Here we are. And 5 to start. I'm not only doing this one-handed, but I'm doing it one-handed, left-handed, so I'm expecting to die. But we all know how Jetpack goes. Yeah, I'm dead. Anyway, that's Jetpack. Main power off. Give it a couple of seconds. Trans Am, which is J. Oh, the amount of time I spent on this game as a child on a rubber key specky on a black and white TV in my bedroom. Oh, brilliant game. Again, for some reason, it only lets you control it with the joystick too. But back in the day, I used to prefer to use a rubber keys on the fleshy 48K. But that's Trans Am. Very basic game. And black car got me. If you do press the reset button on the side of the specky, all that happens is it brings you back to the original loaded screen of that particular game. If I want to go back to the main screen, I've actually got to flick the power on the plug. Galaxian L. Oh, that's not responding to the joystick. Not sure what the fire button is. I've got left and right, Q and W. But that is basic Galaxians. Yeah, the little cartridge was 15 quid from eBay, free postage and packaging. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Space Raiders, which is obviously going to be Space Invaders. Oh, I can do that one-handed. And he's dead. Anyway. ZX Spectrum, classic 16 games, all on one little multi-cartridge. Have yourselves a lovely evening.